Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Tax Planning Strategy for estate planning. When building wealth through dividend investing, it is not enough to focus only on earning income today. You also need to think about how that wealth will be protected, managed, and transferred in the future. That is why estate planning and dividend tax planning work so well together. If you plan properly, you can help preserve after-tax wealth, support your heirs efficiently, and make your investments easier to manage over time. First, you should clearly define your estate goals. For example, you may want to provide income for your family, transfer wealth to children, support charitable causes, or simply preserve assets for the long term. Once your goal is clear, your tax and investment decisions become much more focused. In other words, good planning starts by knowing exactly what you want your dividend portfolio to achieve. Next, review how your assets are owned. Some dividend-paying investments may be held individually, some jointly, and others through trusts or retirement structures. Ownership matters because it can affect control, taxation, and how assets pass to beneficiaries. Therefore, checking the ownership structure of each investment is a very important step in building an effective estate plan. After that, keep accurate cost basis and dividend records. You should maintain records of purchase price, reinvested dividends, account statements, and transaction history. This is especially important because when assets are transferred or inherited, proper records can make tax reporting easier and reduce confusion for heirs. Moreover, organized records help families and advisors understand the real value and history of the portfolio. At the same time, it is important to understand dividend tax rules. Not all dividends are taxed the same way. Some may be qualified, some ordinary, and some foreign dividends may have different tax treatment. In addition, tax rules during your lifetime may differ from those that apply during inheritance or transfer. Because of this, knowing the general tax treatment of your dividend income can help you make better long-term decisions. Then, consider using tax-efficient structures where appropriate. Depending on your country and circumstances, this may include trusts, retirement accounts, beneficiary designations, or other estate planning tools. These structures may help improve tax efficiency, simplify transfer, and support your overall estate objectives. However, the best option depends on your personal situation, so careful review is always necessary. Also, think about reinvestment and cash flow planning. Some people prefer to reinvest dividends for future growth, while others may want to use those dividends as income for family needs, estate expenses, or dependents. So, you should decide whether your dividend strategy is meant to build wealth, create cash flow, or balance both goals. A clear reinvestment plan can make the estate more stable and easier to manage. In addition, your dividend investments should be coordinated with inheritance planning. Your will, trust terms, and beneficiary instructions should all align with your investment accounts. Otherwise, assets may not pass according to your intentions. By keeping your estate documents and account details consistent, you improve the chances that heirs will receive assets smoothly and efficiently. Furthermore, it is always wise to review your strategy with professionals. A tax advisor and an estate planning professional can help reduce errors, improve efficiency, and update your plan when laws or personal circumstances change. Since rules vary by jurisdiction, professional guidance can help you avoid costly mistakes and keep your plan practical. Along the way, a few smart habits can make a big difference. Update beneficiary details regularly, keep all records organized, review the tax impact of your portfolio from time to time, and make sure trusts, accounts, and estate documents are working together. Most importantly, do not wait until it is too late to organize your plan. So, the main goal of dividend tax planning for estate planning is simple. You want to preserve after-tax wealth, support heirs efficiently, and make dividend investing a strong part of your overall estate plan. With clear goals, proper records, tax awareness, and professional support, you can turn a dividend portfolio into a more secure and lasting financial legacy. This video is for educational purposes only. Tax and estate planning rules vary by jurisdiction and individual circumstances, so always consult a qualified professional before making important financial, tax, or legal decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.